Hi YouTube, I'm PJ, a grown-up human who has always loved Barbie, and I'm on a mission to rescue, restore and rehome Barbie and her friends with people who need her. This video is a thrifted doll rescue. I've rescued this doll from a thrift store and now it's time to give her her makeover and restore her ready to be rehomed with her new owner. You can check out this doll's origin story here. I highly recommend if you love a good thrifting haul. We found so many dolls in this haul, you'll love it. I hope you enjoy this video. I found this doll on this amazing thrifting haul that I did with my mum in her local area. This thrift store, no joke, we were there about 15 minutes before closing, and look at what I found. This entire box full of Barbies. I could not believe it. So we were a bit under the pump because the ladies kept calling out, "We're closing in 10 minutes, closing in 5 minutes." So I really had to hustle to make my way through this box of dolls. And when I went to go and pay, the ladies were telling me that this box had only just been placed on the shelf that day. So I got very, very lucky. And look who I found right in the bottom here. Isn't she adorable? This is just such a pretty doll. So I couldn't wait to get her home and make her over. Look at this beautiful face and this gorgeous hair. She clearly had some lovely waves and curls in her day. I'm loving this sort of buffonty kind of look. I think we're going to play into that with her finished look. I want to give her lots of volume. She's given me kind of like Sophia Loren vibes. Some of you will know who that is. Some of you will need to look it up. Straight arms again and flat feet. And her body looks really good. There's not much to do here except we've got a little bit of shimmer which is on her face and also on her legs. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So we've got a little bit of cleanup to do, but I think that should come off once we give her a wash in hot soapy water. So let's get
to the salon.
As always, we start with just dry brushing the hair with the detangling brush. I found this to be really effective just in getting all the tangles and things out before we wash the doll's hair. I think this is a great first step. And that already makes a huge difference. And then it's off to the nice hot soapy bath to wash the body and the hair before applying conditioner. As always, I just use whatever cheap supermarket brand I've got laying around the house. So just working the conditioner in from root to tip and then combing through, and my eventual goal here is to be able to get the fine tooth end of the comb through, and then I just leave the conditioner in overnight. So here she is after rinsing out the conditioner that was left in overnight. Now, I decided I wanted to curl this doll's hair, and I'm just going to say up front that the effect wasn't as good as I had hoped, so I've got a plan for next time and I'll share that with you at the end of this video. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but with some other methods that I've seen used on Barbie doll's hair, the ends tend to come out quite frizzy or they're not curled at all. So I am determined to make this perm paper and perm rod thing work, and I'll share with you what my plan is for next time. So here she is with a full head of rollers, and then I've left them to dry for a couple of days just to make sure that they're completely bone dry all the way through. Now you can see as I'm taking these out, the curl looks amazing, but it just didn't hold, which was just devastating. So what I'm thinking is that I'll do a combination of the boil wash, and then also I've seen other creators pop the dolls in the freezer after the boil wash. So that's my plan. So stay tuned for future makeovers to see if that actually works. Cross fingers. Now it's time to choose her outfit. These fashion packs from Mr. Toys have gone a long way. These dolls, of course, are being gifted to foster children, so I want to make sure I've got a couple of little accessories for the new owners in the handbag. And here's her before and after. What do you think, guys? How did she turn out? I'm happy to report that as of the time of editing this video, this doll has also been donated to the Foster Care Association, so she's on her way to finding her new forever home with a child that needs her. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you've gotten this far, why not like, comment, and subscribe? See you in the next video. Bye!